everyone, welcome to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video quick tech, I will be showing you how to stop Facebook autoplay video. To begin the process, open the Facebook application and then get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right, tap that, and from there you need to scroll down, tap on setting and privacy, tap that. From here you tap on settings. Once you're at the setting and privacy page, you need to scroll down to the preference and there you need to tap on media, tap that. On the media page, you need to scroll down to the autoplay section. There's the three options: on mobile data and Wi-Fi, on Wi-Fi only, never autoplay videos. So basically you have three options of how you can make changes on autoplay videos. You can play it on mobile data and Wi-Fi or on Wi-Fi only. And there's the option of never autoplay video. This is what we need to make a tick mark. Tap on that option and from then the autoplay option on Facebook videos will be disabled. So this is the way how you can simply stop Facebook video autoplay. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.